Hey guys, Dan from Lane's BBQ again, here to show you how to make the best sandwich ever using your leftover brisket. Now you might have thought that yesterday, but wait till you check this one out. It's going to be epic. See you soon. So today we're cooking on the Weber kettle. Now you might be thinking, oh, this is a sandwich video. Why are we cooking on a kettle? But realistically, what we want to do is we want to just involve the barbecue as much as we can and get all that charcoal, all that delicious flavour into the sandwich itself. Now we're using the limited edition Weber kettle with our trusty Blaze heat-proof gloves. Cast iron skillet, which has been seasoned with our crispy stick, and heat beads charcoal. So time to butter the buns. Now today we're using a homemade bread roll, which is a cornbread milk bun. Now I'd never heard of a cornbread milk bun, but Rachel was kind enough to send me an article suggesting that we could make a cheese sandwich with cornbread. So knowing how to make cornbread, knowing how to make milk buns, we decided to mix the two together. So we've got our buttered buns going straight on the cast iron skillet. Now just want to get that nice colour, golden brown on each side until it's crispy and the butter has melted and the sugars are coming out of the bun. Absolutely delicious. Look at that colour. Now this cast iron skillet is very hot, so we don't want to particularly cook the meat any further, as it's already fairly soft. So we're just giving it just a little bit of colour, caramelisation, and just rewarming the meat. So as you can see, it just breaks apart, very tender. It's going to be delicious. Can't wait for you to see. What we're going to do, guys, is we're just going to take a little bit of pickled onions that we made last week. We'll put the exact ingredients and instructions on how to do so in the link below as well. So very basic pickled onions, just on the bottom half of the sandwich. This will just retain all its juiciness and also give it a little bit of a sweetness and sourness. Just a little bit more on that one. Start with our chopped brisket. Nice and caramelised. Straight on there. So the reason that we toast the meat off first, just so that the centre is not cold, without having to burn the bun. Now that's optional. I would probably reheat it if it was chicken anyway, but this just gives better texture, better experience in my opinion. A little bit more. Now a little bit of Swiss cheese. So I don't want to go too heavy. We want balance. And because we can, a little bit more one-legged chicken on the top bit of the bun. Grill. Now what we're doing is just toasting the sandwich now. So a little bit of butter, we're just done the back side or the bottom side, and now we're just toasting the top. Cast iron pan on the other side. Now use your burger press, use anything to weigh it down, but we're just adding a little bit of pressure. So that's it, guys. Another basic video, just using the leftover brisket, something very, very basic. Now, we probably didn't need to go ahead and use the whole Weber, but like I said at the start of the video, it's a bit of fun. I want to get that charcoal flavour into the sandwich, and it was really pronounced throughout Now, Brett and I ate the sandwich. Rachel had to take off, but we're both very, very full. If you guys give it a try, we'd love to hear from you. Tag us in your videos, tag us in the photos on Instagram or on Facebook. We will be available to chat too, so if you want to hit us up, you're more than welcome to do so. Any advice that we can offer to you at any time. Please like and subscribe our videos on YouTube if you can. All the support means the world. It helps spread the message of how good these products are. Now, it's not about us and not about cooking. It's about sharing it with as many people as possible. Now, one other thing I want to mention as well is thank you to everybody that's already subscribed. The overwhelming feedback that we've had in terms of the videos, it really is greatly appreciated. So it hasn't gone unnoticed. We just have been super busy here. Things are picking up, but we are expanding. We are doing a lot of things. So you will see more content. You will see more videos. We will get better at it. And look, we really, really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Till next time, like and subscribe. Take care. See you next time.